control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
Yo, chat, what's up? How we doing, bro? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Holy, happy Friday. Holy, Trader 007's in the building. Trader, what's up? How you doing? Joyce, hello. Tony says Joey crushing Q4. Oh baby, we are absolutely destroying Q4. We got it around. We got our hands around the neck of it, baby. Holy. Brendan. Yo, I'm on time. What's up? How you doing, bro? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Slice of cheese. Do you have a streaming schedule? I was going to take a nap. You know, chat, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't have a consistent streaming schedule. I really need to get one. You know what I mean? Because I know we're having more and more people come in, more and more people wanting to see us trade live, you know, and so I need to get a consistent schedule. So you know what, chat, that's on me, okay? That's on me. We are going to get a consistent schedule, I promise. Like I've kind of posted one, right? I posted one in Discord, but things happened that kind of got me all switched up and mixed up. But chat, you know what? I'm gonna take that on the chin. That's on me. We are gonna get a consistent schedule. Believe that, all right? Believe that, okay? You can count on, you know what, starting next week, here's what you can count on. I can throw this out there. Starting next week, here's what you can count on. Every single morning here on YouTube, besides Tuesdays. Tuesdays, I'm on Tradeify stream. But every single morning, you can count on me being here. So that's what we'll do there, bro. That's what we'll do there. Market Maker Mario's in the building. What's up? Doing great. Watching the kids run around. Holy, taking the kids trick-or-treating. Trader 007 says I'm here. Holy, what up, Anthony? Mr. Oxano. Hola, amigo. Gringo. Gringo loco. What up? Mama Bear, good afternoon. Happy Halloween, chat. Holy. Holy moly. Brandon, what's good? Slice of cheese. I already take my life. That promise. I got you. I got you. Holy. I've got you, bro. Thank you. I'll take that like. I really will. Bielka. Hola. Holy. Chat, how have y'all done this week, bro? How'd y'all do today? Chat, talk to me. What's the vibes, bro? How y'all doing? Dude, not the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm a freak out. Hang on. Hang on, chat. Oh my God. Chat, truthfully, I need you guys to remind me to turn my camera off when I'm done using it. Bro, the reason why it does this is because I accidentally leave it on all night and it dies. So, well, that's on me. We might have to go no cam today if it dies again. I do have it plugged in. That's the thing. It's like, it's not the battery. It's plugged in, HDMI, charger, everything. Like, it's good. But when I leave it on all night, it tends to do this. I didn't mean to. That's on me, chat. I know there's a lot on me today, okay? There's a lot on me. I'm gonna take a lot on the chin. By the end of the day, my chin gonna be real bruised up. It's on me. All right, I'm gonna take that one. So, if it does go dark again, just know that we'll still be here, just without a camera. We might be able to turn it on in like the last, I don't know, if it dies again, we'll leave it off for like 30 minutes and then turn it back on. Anyways, chat, how y'all doing, bro? Let me see, like, who's green this week? Who's green today? Oksano says green all week. I love that. Yeah, chat, let me know who's green this week, who's red this week, who's green today, red today. What's the vibes, dude? I can say this, I traded 12 days this month and almost broke my record for monthly profits. Holy chat, that is proof you don't need to trade every single day. Chat, you want to see my trade file? Hold on, let me pull it up. There you go. There's my trade file stats for this month. 60% win rate, which is on par with basically what I usually am. It's usually my average, is about 60%. 2.06 profit factor, and that's the month. So we are now one more trading day away. All we need to make is 200. Chat, all we need to make is $200. We'll have the profit target and the 5 days of $200 profit. So we just need one more trading day of 200 profit. We're gonna trade like 2 to 3 micros each trade and just scalp it to, you know, what we need. Shouldn't be too hard. But we just need one more trading day to get another payout. Chad, this will be 2 payouts in 2 weeks. $20,000 in 2 weeks, chat. I mean, can you beat it, bro? I don't think you can. I really don't think so. I really don't think so. Long in queue right now, you'll be saying, I made money today. I need one more trading day. That's the thing, is because if you look at my calendar, hold on, let me pull it back up. If you look at my calendar, like I took the payout, the last payout I took was on the 21st. It was Tuesday. It was right here. That was when I took the payout, the $10,000 payout. And then I only traded 2 more days that week. Traded Monday. But this day, I kind of screwed myself a little bit because this day I didn't make $200 in each of the accounts. I made like 190 and I called it a day. So I need one more, I need one more day of making $200 in these accounts. And then I will be qualified for a payout. So I'm thinking Monday, as long as we just trade like 2 to 3 micros at a time, just scalp our way to that 200, we'll be all right. We'll probably do it. So that's what we'll do. But I need, just need that one more trading day. First green day in my now funded duck account. Holy chat, is Mama Bear gonna get a giveaway account to a payout, bro? Holy chat, is that gonna happen? Is Mama Bear gonna just trade her way to a payout on a free giveaway account? That would be insane, bro. Absolutely insane. Mr. Sean Chicago King in the building says, hit that like button, chat. If y'all haven't hit that like button, what are you even doing, bro? Like, really? Really? I'm over here trying to give you guys, do a 50K straight to funded account giveaway with Tradeify. And y'all don't want to hit the like button? Bro, what are we doing? I'm gonna sick Big Frank on you guys, bro. Look at Big Frank in the chat. I'm gonna sick him, bro. Listen, I'm gonna send him over to your house. Nobody ever wants a guy named Big Frank knocking on your door. You know you're in trouble. Big Frank ain't the one, and I will send him. Hopefully I win. My birthday's next week. Holy. That's what she said. I could have went much deeper on Big Frank, but I don't know the vibes there. So I'm restraining myself from going a little bit deeper with Big Frank. Mama Bear is a nice person. Mama Bear is a nice person. Mama Bear is an OG of this community. She's been here since like day one, pretty much. Brandon Bam Bam Sosa's in the building. Holy, what's up, Brandon? How you doing, man? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Chat, what a crazy week, bro. We had wait, hold on. Hang on, chat. Let me type this up real quick. Okay, we are. We back. How do I change my name so it's the same as Discord? I don't know. Settings, YouTube, hashtag edit. I don't know. This week was rough. I'm glad I'm green. Let's go. GG's. Dennis was good. Question: if I'm trying to trade reversals, but the higher time frame is bullish, but on the day it's bearish, am I looking for longs or shorts? I struggle with that the most. I would say go with the higher time frame. A lot of times what you'll see is like if a higher time frame. Here, let me do something, chat. Look, let me break this down because it's a really good topic and I want to kind of talk about it for a second. Hang on. Let me, because I'm going to illustrate this for you. Let's see. Let me get to my. All right. So say like, all right, y'all can see that. So if you're looking at a higher time frame, let's just say that the market's been doing this, right, on a higher time frame, right? Maybe we consolidate here and come up, boom, right? Let's just say that's on like an hour. Right? Now, inside this here, let's say, actually here, let me take, oh my God, just erase all of it. Okay, here, let me do this. Go up, boom, boom, boom. Consolidate a little bit, boom, boom. Here, and let's do that. Okay. So let's just say that's like the higher time frame. Inside of this, right? Inside of that, okay, could look something on the lower time frame like this, right? Could look something like that, okay? Say there's like a little bit of consolidation there. This could be in like, there could be a little bit of this inside of that uptrend, right? But when you're looking at this part, right? When you're looking here at this pullback, what you could see is now just take this, right? Take this as I'm just gonna move it down here, okay? A little bit of consolidation there. Take that as sweeping this, okay, aka this consolidation that's inside of here, okay? So take this line, which is price, and it's sweeping through that liquidity to then continue to move to the upside. That's where you see these pullbacks, right? So I would always go with the higher time frame because a lot of times you're gonna get like these sweeps to take out a little bit of liquidity for price to then continue that move back to the upside, which is what the higher time frame trend. All right. Did that make sense? That's how I look at it. I know there's a lot of illustrating, but hopefully that makes sense. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Redneck Trace, what's up? Marbro, what's up? How you doing? How we 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 doing? Holy chat. You know what, dude? Like for it's been a crazy week because we had earnings, right? We had Meta, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, right? We had some big tech earnings this week. We had the rate statement this week. This was a pretty jam-packed week as far as like news goes. And you know, for a Friday, chat, I mean, hold on, let me zoom out a little bit. Chat, for a Friday, we've had some good PA. I mean, this is clean, dude. Right? We've had some good PA for a Friday, which I'm actually quite happy about. I mean, it's been nice and clean. Nice price movement. Good clean rejections you could take shorts off of. Like we had a nice opening sell-off here. Nice little tests here at VWAP to get nice rejections to catch sell-offs on. Like, I mean, today was a solid day for PA. And we haven't been really getting that on a Friday. So it's been nice to have this. Now, some of this was driven by news. Like if you see this move here, right? Some of this was driven by news. We did have Trump talking about China and tariffs and things like that, right? So this was driven by news a little bit. In fact, let me pull up Financial Juice here. Let me get this in voice. Chat, if y'all aren't subscribed to Financial Juice, you can get live voice squawks here. And this you'll hear all the news hit the tape as soon as it hits the tape. So definitely encourage you guys to get that. But anyways, Trump came out and did a little bit of talking with tariffs and shit like that in China. So we did have a little bit of a news driven move. But that's okay. IB even played today. IB, yeah, we got a clean break of IB. I wouldn't say we didn't really have a failure because we never really broke to the upside. But we did have a nice move below IB and continuation play for you to take shorts. We are catching a little bit of a bid, which is interesting because we didn't ever come down and tap this. We never really came down and tapped that liquidity. We got close, but caught a buy up before we got there. So if this buy up sustains before we take this, I could see us probably, you know, getting back above IB low here. Especially if we break that 35 level, I think we get back, at least retest IB low, maybe even get back above it. But Nasdaq not really ever sweeping that, so which is interesting. Oh, did ES sweep it? Let's go look. That is probably why. Let's see. ES, oops, not we. ES. Let's pull it up here. Okay, yeah, there you go. There you have it. ES did take the sweep and caught the buy up out of it. So since ES did take that low and caught buys, chances are it's going to bring the Nasdaq with it. So that gives me a little bit more confidence that the Nasdaq is going to probably go up to IB low here. Gives me a little bit more confidence that that's what we're going to see. Chat, you want to take a selfie with me? Hold on, let's take a selfie. We got to take a selfie for the Instagram, chat. Hold on. I need y'all to smile, bro. Chat, y'all smiling? Y'all good? Y'all ready? I need some smiles, bro. Put the smiles on the chat to take this selfie. Hold on, I'm waiting for you guys. Hold on. Make sure you guys good. You guys good? My smile is huge. Market maker market. You've got smiles. Perfect. 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 All right, cool. Say cheese, chat. Boom. There it is. There it is, baby. Holy. Selfie with the chat. You love to see it. Bang, bang, bang. All the chat's cheesing right now. Holy. Got the whole chat cheesing. This would be a good hold on. Let's take a screenshot of all the cheeses, all the smiling in the chat. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's do one more. There we go. That should be the keyword today. Cheese. Cheese. Maybe. Maybe we do it. Maybe we do that, chat. Holy. What do you think? Think we do it? All right, Nasdaq's still catching that buy up here. Nasdaq's still catching that buy up. We still have, we still got to get up to like this 37 level here. We got to clear that. We got to clear that 37. I think if we clear that, then we'll probably see IB low here on the Nas. Nice, Mario. Chat, I forgot, dude. I may hold on. Let me pull this up. Hold on. Let's see. Library? No. Wait, where's my? Wait, is this it? Chat, we made we made a song about trading, bro. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see if I can play this. Let's see if I can play this. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Hey. Hey. Every trade got a master scheme. Flex the profit, make the whole team lean. Bidding high, then I sell it low. Watch the ticket, let the numbers show. Chat, y'all feeling this? Cash out fast, let the balance grow. Feel the rush when the margin calls. Stocks might dip, but I break the fall. One more flip, gotta catch 'em all. Money talks, yeah, I hear it. Put in work, make it shake the floor. Dollar stack high, hear the crowd, yo. Long or short, I still get more. Market knows, yeah, we keep it score. Anyways, chat, yeah, we made a song. I didn't make, I mean, it's AI. I didn't sing that. I can't sing worse shit. That wasn't me. But I made an AI song about the market, bro. It's kind of, chat, it's kind of fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It is kind of fire. Kind of fire. Yes, is that IB low? Nice. Have you taken any trades today? Yes, I have. There you go. Feeling it for sure. Jamming at work. Nice. Holy. We're gonna have to play it now every time we go live, bro. Every time we go live on YouTube, we gotta play that song. Our theme song for the cup? Yes, bro. That's it. That's it, bro. That is a theme. That is Team JM, J Morgan. That's our theme song for the cup, bro. Can we find this on Spotify now? No. I could probably put it on Spotify though. I wasn't here for 2 days, my bad. Yeah, Carrie, where you been, bro? Huh? What happened? What happened? Bro, I'm so hyped for that start. I'm gonna lock in. Let's go, baby. Team JM about to pop. You already know the deal. Ir Ramirez, what's up? It says Joey fucking Morgan. Holy. I feel like I have all these sayings like around like my brand now at this point. Every time I'm on Tradify, they're always like, hey, it's Joey fucking Morgan. Like every time I'm on Tradify TV, they always say that. And then we got the holy. I mean, chat, we have so much, bro. I still need to get a sign up here that says like holy. Chat, should I do holy or just or holy moly? Should I do the whole thing or should we just do holy? What do you guys think, bro? I need help. I need help, bro. Got holy moly, holy. Holy moly. Maybe we do holy moly because it'll honestly that'll fill up the wall more so. You know what I mean? It'll fill up the wall more. So I think that's what we do.
Oh baby.
And something about those cold brews? What you mean, bro? What you mean cold brews? What we talking about right now? Are you talking about iced coffee in my chat? Listen. Talking about iced coffee in my chat that'll get you banned. It really will. Iced coffee in my chat will get you banned. I will ban you. Holy. All right, Nasdaq is trying to work its way up here still. Again, we got to get back above 37s. We can do that. I think we'll be sitting all right. Do I have to change teams in the Tradify Cup then? Depends if you want to lose. My team, we're going to win. We're going to win. Do you really want to go up against a guy who's on a straight heater? You know what I mean? Look at this calendar. Do you really want to go up against a guy who's on a straight heater? If I'm being banned, you're not actually being banned. But I think I am gonna have a disclaimer. It says anybody who likes iced coffee or anybody who mentions iced coffee in the chat will go to timeout. Holy. You approve? Or steak will catch up? Yeah, 100%. Look, I don't know what Nick be talking about, bro. Nick on Tradify, I don't know what you be talking about. We're talking about ketchup on steak. Dog, I'll slap you. I will. I will. That's how you get slapped. Like, that's worse, chat. I would rather you guys talk about iced coffee in my chat versus ketchup on steak. Right? Really would. We could talk about iced coffee over ketchup on steak. Aaron Ramirez, bro, it's all a joke. Don't take it personal. It's all jokes, bro. Like me some hamburgers. I like some hamburgers too. I really do. My wife makes a mean hamburger. Steak, but yeah, steak with ketchup, that'll actually get you hurt. Ketchup on steak will get you hurt. Ketchup doesn't belong on steak or tacos. Who the fuck puts ketchup on tacos? That's not even a taco, like, sauce. Tony says a good steak don't need sauce. Exactly, bro. Listen, I'm a big steak fanatic, dude. Like, I make a mean steak, okay? I make a mean one. Give it a nice little sear on both sides, right? Little 2-minute sear on each side. Sear the sides a little bit. Put on some salt and some pepper. Throw it in the oven for about at 400 degrees. So you get that just warm pink center, right? Medium rare. Chat, that's all you need. That's how you make a mean steak, bro. You sear it on each side for 2 minutes. Get a nice little crust on the outside of the steak. Then you put it in the oven at 400 degrees and let it cook until you get medium rare. That with that pink center, right? But before you sear it and cook it, make sure you get the steak to room temperature. Don't ever take it out of the fridge and then do it. Make sure you get it to room temperature, okay? And then you sear it, and then you pop it in the oven. You know someone who put ketchup on tacos? Bro, slap them. Let them know. Get them out of here. I have friends who like your steak well done. Listen. Steaks aren't meant to be well done, okay? They're already dead. The cow's already dead, chat. You don't need to kill it further, all right? It's already dead, all right? We don't need to kill it further. Medium rare, it's perfect. It's perfect. Well done might be worse than ketchup. It could be. Yeah, 100%. Well done equals eating a hockey puck. It really is. Like, y'all want like a just a chewy hockey puck? What's the like target for the giveaway? We haven't really talked about one. Chat, what should the like target be? 60? I think we can do 60. Now I want steak for dinner. Yeah, I might do it as well. I might do it. NQ dumping, what a scam. Listen, we've had some clean movement, bro. I don't know. Like, this was like, I feel like today was just easy. And then let me preface that with trading is not easy, but every now and then you get easy days. And I feel like today was just an easy day, which I love on a Friday. At least for me, it felt like an easy day. It was very clean. Very, very clean. What people get wrong is size on days like this. Yeah, 100%. 100%. I'm trying to, I'm hoping that I can make the $200 on Monday. Because then I can request a payout again on the Tradeify stream on Tuesday. So I'm kind of hoping that's what we do.
S&P on Boeing says they see higher production costs, customer concessions to not be recovered. However, will
Enjoy the easy trading days. They don't come often enough. And lately they haven't been. No, it's been a pretty tough season for the markets. Pretty tough season. Some people eat steaks bloody red. Yeah. A little more on the rare side. I've had blue steak. It has to be super high quality. Yeah. I can't do blue. I gotta have it like nice and red in the middle, but not blue. It's gotta be like, it's like, for me, I like it in the middle of medium rare and a little more on the rare side. Like kind of like in the middle of that. You know what I mean? Like I would say medium rare, but a little bit more towards the rare side. You know what I mean, chat? Like not like it's where it's just blue and like all it is just red raw meat. You know what I mean? Like medium rare, but more towards the rare side. Like if y'all ever go to, I don't know if y'all have a Texas Roadhouse or not, but if y'all ever go to a Texas Roadhouse and you order your steak medium rare, it comes out more so rare. Like it's a little bit more on the rare side. It's medium rare, but it's a little bit more on the rare side. So, which I think is delicious. I love it that way. It's a suggestion when you try it. Yeah, I don't know. Blue scares me. Blue does scare me. The business lens, what's up? How you doing? Chat, our like goal is 60 likes for the giveaway. Business lens, we are green. Here's my Tradeify journal for today. Rare is your option, yeah. I do like a little more on the rare side. It's good. Chat, now I'm thinking about having steak for dinner tonight, bro. I got my mom coming up to hang out for Halloween, chat, because we're taking the kids out trick-or-treating tonight. My mom's coming to go trick-or-treating with the kids. And I gotta make some margaritas because I've been making some, chat. I make a mean margarita, bro, let me tell you. Chat, y'all might as well call me Chef Joey. You know what I mean? I make a mean margarita too. Chat, you get some fresh limes. Like, chat, I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give you some sauce right now. Get some limes, right? Juice 2 of the limes. Okay, so like cut them in half, get a little squeezer or whatever, and juice them. Juice 2 of them, and then pour an ounce of tequila, an ounce of agave nectar, and then a little bit, like 1.5 ounces of orange liqueur. Listen, listen, the margaritas, you know what I mean? I love my margarita. But anyways, I gotta make my mom margarita because she's coming up and she likes margaritas, so I gotta make her one. Business Lens, I have a partnership with them. Just like I have a partnership now with Ninja Trader too, which isn't a prop firm. It's a futures broker, right? Tradeovate. You guys know all heard Tradeovate. My two partnerships are now Ninja Trader and Tradeify. Chef Joey cooking the market. You already know. Market Maker Mario says, I don't drink and I'll try that. It's really good. It's really good. It's tasty. Yeah, not a drinker, but a margarita hits a spot on a hot day. It really does. It really does. Have you been trading your personal account lately? Not at all. Not really. Like this month, I kind of like took away from the personal account because I wasn't really liking PA as much. Personal account's up 3% this month. We're up 3% on the month. So pretty good. I'll take it. But yeah, I haven't really traded it. Wait until we get kind of, we'll see how we'll see how November shapes up. If I get a little bit more cleaner PA, then I'll trade the personal account for November more so. December, I don't really see myself trading. That means for December, I don't know if I'll be trading my personal account just because holiday. Maybe we get some good PA. Yeah. That means, you know, some percent of Tradeify shares. No, I don't own any equity of Tradeify. I don't own any equity. I just have a partnership with them. That's all it is. Speaking of Tradeify chat, this ends tonight. This deal ends tonight, chat. 45% off, 25K, 50K, 100K, Lightning funded accounts. You can use code JM to lock that in. Also, if you do use code JM, all you gotta do is send me a screenshot in Discord. Today is the last day for the monthly giveaway too. So if you do use code JM, make sure you send me a screenshot in Discord because that's gonna enter you for a 150K straight to funded account with Tradeify. All right, so make sure you do that because today's the last day for that, chat. Last day for that. So this ends tonight, and then also my internal giveaway for using code JM ends tonight. So a lot of things ending. Make sure you lock in a little bit, you know what I mean? Hey Joe, can you see if YM filled the previous gap? I'm on mobile at the moment, it's pain to see. Where was the gap? Let me pull up YMer. Saw my video on the features desk. Yeah, I was on one of their live streams a while back before I had a partnership with Tradeify. Let's see. 30-minute. So this opening gap here, or the new week gap, sorry, that new week gap, we filled it. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Well, we came about, we filled about 3/4 of it, but we didn't fill the whole thing. It filled about 3/4. We got down to, what is this? 488. We got down to 488. The bottom of this is 47, 414. So we missed it, but it filled 3/4, which can be good enough sometimes. You got it, Mario. Gold is trying to get back to its IB low also. Is gold moving? Gold saw a steep sell-off today. Look at this, chat. Holy. Gold saw a nice sell. Nice buy up too. Nice retracement back to pretty much IB low and VWAP there, which are in the same level. That's a strong level there, chat, with VWAP and IB low there. That's a strong level. You can see why I kind of rejected it a little bit, but if we do push back above that, that could be some serious strength. And that sell Lumi lost trades and gold. Did she lose trades here? I didn't really trade it. I stayed out of it because I knew it was news. I was listening to Financial Juice here. I have the live squawks on where I can hear news that comes over the tape. I was listening to it and I heard all the remarks that were coming out about tariffs in China, and so I stayed out of it. Like, I knew that was what was causing this, and so I immediately was like, all right, not trading. Not trading this, because it is entirely news related. And that's why you also see this too, right? You see news come out and really drive the market in a particular direction, and then generally this news move is usually an overreaction, and you usually see price like start to retrace it a little bit. And so this is pretty typical. Pretty typical. Overall though, man, that was a good move, especially if you traded. I mean, if you did take the news trade on gold and you traded the break of IB low, man, you did well. You did well. I would have been, I mean, it's news related, so it's like, what levels are we really going to break before we reverse? We did on gold sweep this, right? I would have been more so looking for this to come down and potentially even here. Those are the stronger levels in my opinion, but again, it's news driven, so it's like it can retrace at any moment. You just never really know when it's going to retrace. You never really know. Chat, we have 49 likes. We need 10 more likes. You lost money. You was copying Lumi. You got to be careful copying people. I mean, even like, I would say don't copy me either. I mean, I have a 60 this month. I have a 60% win rate, right? And so it's pretty much a 50-50 shot of you making money. Big Frank says, go guys, hit that like button. Yes. Yes. Gene 60. Grab another 50K lightning code JM working to pay out now. Should hit the next week. Nice. Let's go. GG's. You love to see it. Holy. You love to see it. Chat, I want to talk about, geez, I'm going to get to your comment in just a second. Let me say this real quick too, because I saw, and Brandon Sosa, if you're here, I'm going to address this live on stream. If you're here, Brandon, there was a comment saying, I've watched a couple of your streams and never seen you take a trade. When you're taking those, right? I want to address that comment. First off, you guys have seen me take trades live on stream. I take trades all the time live, right? There are some days where I don't take trades. And that's the profitable side of me, chat. It really is. It's the profitable side of me. If you are watching somebody trade live and they're spamming trades all day long, every day, right? Chances are they aren't profitable. Chances are they aren't making money as a trader, right? I am a very, very, very conservative trader, and it works for me, right? It really does. It works for me. I'm very conservative. I'm about to have $20,000 payouts in 2 weeks of time, right? My personal account is up 26%. Okay. I'm very, very conservative, right? I don't spam trades. I don't take trades all the time. Days like today, when I'm only streaming in the afternoon, I may have taken my trades in the morning. And if I see a setup, I might take trades in the afternoon, right? But that's just part of, like, you know, being a real trader, right? There's real traders that live stream, and there's also traders that just live stream who don't make shit, right? Chances are, and I'm not saying this is everybody, but chances are that if you see somebody just loading up trade after trade every single day, they are probably not making money as a trader. Just gonna throw that out there. Okay. Just want to throw it out there. Anyways, geez, let me get your comment. Anything you have to say about trading trendline bounces? By the way, I love your channel. Been watching you for a year. Holy, for a year. Thank you for tuning in. Holy. And what was your question? Sorry. Anything you have to say about trading trendline bounces? I mean, they work, right? Sometimes you get people, or sometimes you get, like, here. Again, let me go to my illustration board here, because it's easier to draw it out for you guys than it is to, like, say it. You know what I mean? And plus, I'll get to visually see what I'm talking about. My pencil will work here. Okay, there we go. All right, let me get to my illustration board. Got an iPad. So let's just say that here's your trend line. Actually, that's a horrible trend line. Let me redo that. Okay. Let's just say that's your trend line, right? You have support and you have resistance, right? Y'all see that. You can trade these bounces. So all you would do is just draw a trend line, right? And then wait for price to retest that trend line to then catch the move. However, sometimes you can get, if your trend line isn't perfect and price isn't going to perfectly react to it, sometimes you can get a little bit of move below it before it continues. Okay. It's not always going to be perfect every single time. So you have to keep that, like, take account of that, right? It's not always going to be perfect. And then bounce. Sometimes you will get the move. Now, just say that it does break, okay? Just say it does break and then it comes up and retests it but finds weakness, then you can look for those shorts, okay? Because then you're unable to push above the previous highs, right? So then you can look for shorts. But that's how I would do it. And then same thing for, like, if you're going to draw trend lines on the upside of it, right? You could look for tests of those, and if you wanted to short here, which I don't recommend doing because you're going against the grain, but you could look for that, right? So, or what you could do is look for breaks above, strong breaks, get retests, and trade higher, right? So there's different ways you could do it. Generally, if you are getting an uptrend, I would be looking for longs off that level there, right? So that's what I'd be looking for if you're a trend line trader. And also, chat, that works really good for, like, swing trading too. Like, if you're going to swing trade accounts or swing trade stocks, like, you could look for companies on the past 180 days, right? 180 days time frame. What companies are on, like, a mega uptrend, and just look for those opportunities there. Hopefully that answered your question, Jace. This guy on YouTube does that, switch their accounts. Like, yeah, you'll see a lot of people do that. Over 60 likes, did we get it? Oh, we did. Yeah, we did get 60 likes. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We hit the light goal. We're gonna wait a little bit But yeah, we are going to do the giveaway because we hit the lag goal. The future scalper takes a lot of trades and teaches how to blow accounts to make money. Holy. Redneck Trades, JM, my success the past 2 months has been because of that patience that I am emulating from this channel and you. 100% changing my trading for the better. First ever payout, growing, not blowing. There it is, chat. There it is, right? We're doing shit for free on this channel that most charge thousands of dollars for. Congrats, dude. Congrats. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right, let me go back to my main chart here. I absolutely love that for you, Redneck. Keep it going, dude. Keep it going. If it's working, don't change a thing. Just keep doing the same thing over and over and over again. It may sound boring. It may not sound sexy, but listen, you can just repeat it over and over and over again. You will make money. You will have a better chance of being successful. Jeez, appreciate you. Appreciate you. All right, chat, should we do the giveaway? I'm thinking so, huh?
Canada's energy minister says they will accelerate critical minerals project worth $6.4 billion at the G7 Energy and Environmental Ministers meet.
Should we do the giveaway, chat? I say we do it. I say we do it. I don't want to hold you guys. I mean, we're getting a power hour. It's a Friday. I want to have an early weekend too. You know what I mean? So let's do it. Let's do the giveaway here. Let me pull up my pull up everything here. It's ducky time. It is ducky time, chat. It is ducky time, bro. Holy. Holy. Oh man, hold on. Hold on. Chat. Okay. I kind of like that. Chat, the keyword is going to be ducky time. That is so good, dude. That is so good. Chat, keyword ducky time. I don't know if that's spelled right or not. We're going to go with it though. We're going to go with it. It may not be spelled right, but you know what? That's fine. We are giving away a free straight to funded account giveaway with Tradeify. 50K straight to funded with Tradeify, chat. That is the giveaway. Type ducky time in the chat. Holy. Ducky time, ducky time, ducky time, ducky time. Bots, yeah, 100%. There's definitely bots in here. Chat, some of y'all are typing Ducky Thor, bro. It's Ducky time. Ducky time. Ducky time. Who the fuck is Ducky Thor? Is there an Avengers duck? Are there duck Avengers? Ducky 4. That's so funny. Ducky time chat. Type Ducky time in the chat. Golly, dude.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way to reconcile 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the
While y'all are doing that, chat, we'll wait for you guys to finish off there. Again, I just want to remind you that oops, hang on. Just want to remind you while y'all are doing that Tradeify is 45% off right now. You can use code JM to lock in 45% off a 25k, 50k, and 100k Lightning Fund account, straight to fund account, chat. So if you don't win today, you can do a 45% off with Tradeify. Use code JM, and then as a reminder as well, my internal giveaway is ending tonight as well. So this giveaway, this discount ends tonight. But my giveaway, the internal giveaway that we're doing for using code JM also ends tonight. So if you do use code JM at any point today before we get into November, be sure to send me a screenshot in Discord showing you use code JM. That'll enter you for a giveaway for 150k straight to funded account. Also, if you are not subbed, we are doing a free series here on YouTube. It is a free day trading course that is absolutely free. I don't charge a penny for it. We're doing all of those videos in the series for absolutely free, and we do them live. So the next one is going to be on Sunday, an hour before the Sunday Open. So at 4 p.m. Central Time, we're going to be doing the next lesson in that video series. So you're going to want to be subscribed. Make sure that you're here and able to check that out. So hit that subscribe button, be subscribed, because we are doing a lot of cool things here on this channel, things that other people are not doing, and we are absolutely dominating these markets. So be sure to subscribe to catch all of that. For sure. What's your plan for the Tradeify Grand Cup, Joey? Oh, baby, I got a plan. Do I got a plan? Oh, listen, I'm going to trade aggressively. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to trade aggressively, but I'm going to be scalping a lot. Okay, I'm going to be scalping quite a bit. I'm not going for home run trades, but I will be trading pretty aggressive. My plan is definitely 2 minis per trade. I mean, yeah, that's what everybody's plan is. Everybody's going to be trading 2 minis. Everyone's going to trade 2 minis. You better when I'm on your team. Listen, we're going to do our absolute best. We're going to try to bring it home, man. We're going to try to bring it home. Absolutely. All right, chat, 30 more seconds. If you haven't typed Ducky Time in the chat, that is the giveaway keyword for the 50k straight to funded account. And listen, chat, y'all can't let Trader 007 win. Y'all can't let Trader 007 win, because he's won like 3 giveaways. Fit Mom, yeah, it's a 50k account. 2k end of day drawdown, and that resets every day. All right, chat, y'all ready? What's your team name, Joey? Did we ever come up with a team name? It's just Team J Morgan on the Tradeify site. If you look at Tradeify, they already kind of have like a team name. Two minis with 2k drawing out crazy. Oh, yeah, Fitmom, 100%. Like, it's not real trading. People are gonna be YOLOing, bro. I mean, it just is what it is. Like, anybody who trades how a trader should trade is gonna get knocked out in the first 2 weeks, guaranteed. when they do the 30%, the bottom 30% knockouts, the people who trade how you're supposed to trade, as far as risk management goes, are gonna get knocked out. It is what it is. It's just part of it.
He disagrees with the snap ruling. Apparently he's speaking on Fox News.
Ducky time, ducky time, ducky time. All right, chat, let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Take my name out of here. All right, there we go, chat. Listen. Oh, what the heck? What just happened? Hold on. Edit list. There we go. All right. We got 91 people, chat. 91. Good luck. Good luck to you. Let's do 2 minutes. Perfect. 2 minutes. Let me get the desktop audio turned up here. Let me take this promo off here. There we go. All right, chat. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck. 50K straight to funded account giveaway. May the odds be ever in your favor. I hope you guys trained your ducks up well. Where preparation meets opportunity, chat. Holy. Preparation meets opportunity.
Still positive.
I got, oh, my, hold on, let me get out of financial juice there so you guys don't hear that guy's voice. There we go. Big Frank's coming in hot. Holy, look at Big Frank here. Look at Tony Anderson. Tony coming in looking like straight up Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Holy, look at him. Look at Rudolph. Holy moly. Uh-oh, who is this? Who's trying to come up here? Is it Tat? Tat trying to come up a long edge. Holy. Look at Greed. Look at a long edge coming up, taking the lead, shaking the absolute tail feather. You got AM, you got Foresto, you got Loxano. Holy moly, chat. Did y'all train? Did y'all train the ducks, baby? Holy, look at Morning Bear. Look at Morning Bear. We got Donna. Donna coming in. We got Traders Nest. Oh, Redneck Trades trying to come up looking like an absolute panda. Look at Redneck. Look at Redneck. Frenzy Scalping. Poctoon Trades. Holy. Chat, shake your mother freaking tail feathers, bro. Holy moly. Look at it. Look at Matthias. Matthias. We got VC and El Bolsa. We got Susan. Not Susan. Susan. We got Chris Gandy. Gandy looking like a straight up strawberry. Look at Gandy. Oh, we got Ola. We got Brendan. We got Profit Pulse. We got Fresto. We got Swift Fox. We got Wonder Cat. Holy Chris Gandy. Where are you going, Chris Gandy? You're falling off. Wonder Cat, Swift, Profit Pulse. Uh-oh, AMD. Look at AMD. Look at Poctoon Trades. Look at Poctoon. Poctoon. Holy moly, Poctoon Trades. Congratulations. Are you here? Are you here, Poctoon? Poctoon. You got 1 minute, bro. Claim your prize. 1 minute. Is Poctoon here, bro? Oh, Poctoon, there he is. Send me a DM in Discord. I will get you a code for a free, straight, defunded account. Chat, y'all want to do another one? Huh? Y'all want to do another? Let's see how many people. All right, chat. We'll do another one for a free 50K growth account. So a free 50K growth account. That's what we'll do. So let's do this. The next keyword is, let's see. What should the keyword be? Since it's Friday, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do, bro. Here's the keyword. TGIF. That's the keyword. Thank God it's Friday, baby. TGIF. That is your keyword for the 50K growth. $50K growth account. TGIF is the keyword, chat. TGIF for the 50K growth account. Also, chat, for the people that join my team on the Tradeify Grand Cup, I have exclusive giveaways for all of you. We're giving away like 5 50K growth accounts, 5 straight to funded accounts. Wait, what do I have? Hang on. I have a ton, dude, to do for you guys. Let me see what I put down here. Yeah, for everybody in my on my team for the Tradeify Grand Cup, we have like 500K growth account giveaways, we have 5 50K growth account giveaways, and we have 5 50K lightning funding giveaways for everybody that's joining the team JN. We have a lot of giveaways, dude. We have a lot of giveaways for everybody joining Team JM on the Tradeify Cup. Then, Mama, yeah, I will be able to see who's on my team, yeah. All right, chat, y'all good? Ready for the 50K growth? How the fuck, dude? I swear, some of y'all guys, y'all like, we got bots or something, bro. Some of y'all be like creating YouTube channels for giveaways. There's no way there's 108 people, bro. There's no way. Y'all wild, dude. Y'all absolutely wild. But hey, there's nothing you can do about it, baby. Holy, let's go, chat. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Again, 50K growth account. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. We got Donna. We got, who's this? Baby Rich. Baby Rich. We got Harmonic Guardian. We got Mr. Bond. We got Learner. We got Swift Fox. We got Keiko. We got Ola. Profit per tick. We got Swift Fox, Brandon G's. Fit Mom, yeah, I know. It's bot. It's burner accounts is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it though. Zoran, Keiko, consistency counts. Gringo loco. Gringo loco. Edge engine. Alfonsi. Holy. Chat, who's gonna take it home? Resume writing expert. If you need your resume written, bro, contact resume writing expert. The resume professional. We got Brandon, we got Greed, we got Swift Fox, we got Sean, Chicago King, we got Armand, we got Paktoon again. No, Paktoon, we can't let you win again, bro. Traders Grind. We got HFRT. We got Spark Stakes. We got Lerner. We got Harris. Holy, who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Luke Aurora. I don't know how to say that name, bro. I don't know how to say Lerner. Oh, baby, it is an absolute close when we got 10 seconds. Who's gonna shake their tail feather long enough to take home the 50K growth account? Who's it gonna be? Lerner's falling off. Lerner fell off. Oh, who's this? Jishu Shakamaka Waka. Oh no, I definitely didn't say that name right. Holy Jishnu Shakarakomarala. Something with the J in it. Are you here, bro? Are you here? Holy. Let me know. Type in the comments and claim. Let me know if you're here. Golly, dude. Jesus Christ, Jishnu, send me a DM in Discord. Golly, dude. Send me a DM in Discord. I'll get you that 50K growth account, chat. Listen, chat, we are one trading day away from taking another 10K payout trade fight. That'll be 20K in 2 weeks, bro. 20K in 2 weeks. Hopefully, we're hoping to get it by Monday. Hopefully, to get that. You guys are going crazy over that pronunciation, bro. I listened. I had no idea how to pronounce that, so I went with what rolled off the tongue. Okay. Golly, look at NQ. There it is. It finally made it above IB low there. Finally got above IB low. How about that? Chat. Jishnu Shakalaka Laka. Send me a DM in Discord, and then I'll get you that 50K growth account. Chat. Hope you guys have a good afternoon. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Happy Halloween. I'll talk to you guys. We'll be live Sunday, chat. We'll be live Sunday, an hour before the Sunday Open. We'll be doing that free course lesson, the YouTube series, and then we're gonna hang out, watch charts together, and just chill and vibe out. Chat. Hope you guys have a good one. Have a good weekend. Have a good Halloween. Cheers.